Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how to link up your Tesla driver profile to your phone key so that every time you're using your phone key, it's just automatically going to be using your driver profile. So of course, first you need to select your driver profile up here at the top. You can select your driver profiles in this area. If you need to create a new driver profile, you can always do that by clicking on the driver profile settings right here, opening that up. And from this menu, you can add a new driver and then set everything up exactly how you want it on that driver profile. So once you're selected on your Tesla driver profile, what we want to do at this point is open up our menu by clicking on the little icon of the car here in the bottom left-hand corner. From this menu, what we want to do is open up our locks option. And then in our locks, we want to find our Tesla phone key. You can see this little profile icon image to the side of our phone key. Once we click on that, it's going to bring over our driver profile and it will automatically save it at that point. Just make sure that the name that shows up right here by your Tesla phone key is the same one that shows up here at the top by your driver profile. And that's how you know that they're linked up. Now, if you haven't gone through the process of making your phone a Tesla key, it's pretty simple to do this. You just need to go in through the Tesla app. Once you're logged in through the Tesla app, you can set up a phone key at that point in time. You just need to make sure that you also have your Tesla key card so that you can complete that linking process when you're creating your Tesla phone key. Now, another way that we can go about doing this and making our phone the priority device for that driver profile is going down here in the menu to the Bluetooth option right here towards the bottom. So clicking that. And then in our Bluetooth settings, we should be able to find our phone key in this area. And if you have your Bluetooth turned on, it should be connected up and ready to go. So I'm going to open that up and I can see the priority device. So my driver profile is already set up as the priority device. If we toggle this off, we can see that driver profile gets removed as the priority device on this phone. If we toggle it back on, we can see the name right here is matching up right here with the name of our driver profile. So they're linked up and ready to go with that driver profile using my phone as its priority device. And once you're linked up and good to go, it creates a seamless experience every time you use your phone as a key for a Tesla that you're driving. It's going to use that driver profile that you had synced up.
Thank you to Joa for supporting this video and the content on my channel. Please consider checking out Joa's premium Tesla products and accessories through the link in the description. Use my exclusive discount code THANKS at checkout to save. I appreciate you watching. Subscribe to the channel for more Tesla content in the future.